Golden caramelized orejas. A delicious Mexican dessert recipe. This recipe serves 18 to 20 pieces. Preparation takes about 30 minutes. And cooking takes around 20 to 25 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 2 sheets puff pastry dough, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, a quarter teaspoon kosher salt, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, a half cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Line to large baking sheets with parchment paper or silicone baking mats. This is crucial because the sugar will turn into sticky caramel. Step 2. In a medium bowl, whisk together the granulated sugar, ground cinnamon, and kosher salt until the cinnamon is evenly distributed. Step 3. Clean your work surface and sprinkle about a quarter cup of the cinnamon sugar mixture directly onto the surface instead of flour. Step 4. Place 1 sheet of cold puff pastry onto the sugar. Lightly brush the top of the dough with a thin layer of melted butter. Step 5. Sprinkle another a quarter cup of the sugar mixture over the top of the dough. Use a rolling pin to gently press the sugar into the pastry, rolling it into a rectangle approximately 10 times 12 inches. Step 6. Find the center point of the rectangle along the long side. Fold the left edge inward halfway to the center, then do the same with the right edge. Step 7. Fold the edges inward again so they meet exactly in the middle. You should now have a long, narrow strip with multiple layers. Step 8. Fold one half over the other, like closing a book. This creates the classic ear or heart shape. Wrap this log in plastic wrap and chill in the freezer for 10 minutes to firm up. Step 9. Repeat steps 4 through 8 with the second sheet of puff pastry and the remaining sugar. Step 10. Remove the dough from the freezer. Using a sharp serrated knife, slice the log into a half-inch thick pieces. Step 11. Toss each slice in the remaining sugar mixture to coat the cut sides thoroughly. Step 12. Place the slices on the prepared baking sheets, spacing them at least 3 inches apart. They will expand significantly as they bake. Step 13. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes until the bottoms are golden brown. Carefully flip each pastry over using a spatula. Step 14. Bake for another 7 to 10 minutes until the other side is deeply caramelized and the pastry is puffed and crisp. Watch closely to prevent burning. Step 15. Transfer the orejas immediately to a wire rack. If left on the parchment, the cooling caramel will glue them to the paper. Let cool completely to reach maximum crispness. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.